Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to the channel. This is Mccoles World, and you are with Travel and Study Abroad in Chi. I really appreciate your big support. Please keep them coming. It's really helping us to grow and as well reach out to other people. Yes, if you are an old subscriber, a very big thank you to you and welcome. If you are new, yes, do well to like, and as well, if you haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscription button and do well to share this video out there. I'm quite excited about this content, yes, and I just can't wait to give it to you. All right, so on this channel, it's everything about traveling, getting the opportunity to study abroad on scholarships in Europe, in Asia, literally anywhere else in the world, as well cheap tuitions, okay, and jobs, conferences, internships, and whatnot. If you have any questions about traveling, we are not a traveling agency, but yes, we can as well help you through research and from experience, okay? So thank you for staying up till now. Yes, I'm going to walk you through the video. Today we're going to Canada, okay? How to find a job in Canada as a foreigner, okay? Yes, temporary workers visa. There are companies out there that are hiring foreign nationals or people. You can have an experience or no experience. Of course, it can all work out for you. So I'll take you to the website. I will show you what to do, how to go about it, and how to apply. Okay, so that's what today's video is about: going to Canada for jobs. Okay, yes. Before we go in, yes, do well to like, as well subscribe to the channel. Yeah, let's go. The website I was on about. Today we are going to Canada and how to find sponsored jobs in Canada. Okay, so the website is jobbbank.gc.ca/home/home. Okay, so Job Bank, Government of Canada, Job Bank. So when you get here, this is the website, and you can browse through, and then you can filter as well whatever you're looking for. So they have 90,199 job postings in Canada. So your career starts here, and this is what I want you to do. Now, once you get here, you just click on advance. Okay, when you click on advance, you wait it to load because we're going to filter. Okay, we're going to filter to get to what we are looking for. So you just click on advance, and then once it opens, we will get onto it. So we will be looking at employers that are ready and willing to hire foreign nationals, okay, with sponsorships. Okay, yeah. So when you come out here, you can just select. So we have the employment conditions, day, morning. Well, this is not something I want us to focus on. Don't focus on provinces as well. You can, if you're a French speaking, you can go on French. We are English, so you can go on English. If you are English and French, you can click on English and French. So the first one you want to take is the language at work, which is English. Okay, so we hit on that one. My connection is a bit slow today. I don't know why, but yeah, you hit on English, and once it loads, it's taking time. It will give you English jobs, right? English jobs. So we have 72,540 English jobs. All right. So you click on English, then you come down. The period of employment, it's not important. Salary is not important. Remote opportunity is not important. You come down, keep going. Benefits all not important. Now here, this is what I wanted you to know. Intended applicants, you click Canadians and international candidates. Okay, Canadians and international candidates, because we are outside Canada now and then we want to go in. So you can just click on this one, Canadians and international candidates, which is selected. Now, years of experience. If you have no experience, you can just hit straight. If you have less than 1 year, if you have 1 year to less than 3 years as well. So maybe no experience, you can click on this one. Yes, they have stuff for you here. And then education, you come out here, university education, college, secondary, no education required. You can check no education required. You can check secondary school or job specific training, university here, and all that. So you can go straight to no education required. No education required. Let's see what they have. Yep. While we wait, yes, if you haven't liked and subscribed yet, please do well to like and subscribe. Okay, yeah, so that whenever we bring new content, you will be notified, right? Yeah, so basically that's all I want you to do. Education and training, years of experience, and intended applicants. Okay, you just leave the rest blank. Just leave them blank. I'll go back to check this out now. Language at work, English. All right, if it's French, you go for French. We want to go on with English, so we just click on English and just leave the rest blank as it is, and then you come to view results. Okay, right here, view results, and then they will take you to the opportunities available jobs in Canada. Okay, these employers are willing to sponsor for free. They are willing to sponsor your visa and work visa and all of that. So let's wait for it to load. There we go. So yeah, they have retail sales clerk, truck driver, assembly foreman, woman, farm work. This is very new. All these are new. They just posted them yesterday, July 14th. My time. Yes, animator, graphic design, illustration, game. This is remote. We don't want to work remote. If you want to do remote work, that's okay. That's fine. But if we want to move there, right? So all these are out here: hotel front desk clerk, hotel cleaner, plumber helper, and all that. So many of them. Okay. So for example, let's click on cleaner on the row. Well, let's click on cleaner and let's see what they have out here for us. Okay. Yes, cleaner, and this is Edmonton, I believe. Okay. All right, cleaner. Let's wait a little bit, and then we can just get to know what they have for us, and then that will be all. So basically, kindly go through the entire video and then do it step by step as in what I'm showing you. Okay, so that you can get on with it. If you have any questions, do all to put them down in the comment section, and I'll get at you. This is Edmonton. Yeah, that's the address out here, and it's 16 to 16.80 Canadian dollars an hour for 32 hours per week, which is good. You just have one vacancy. Language English, no degree, nothing. Will train you. Various locations, task: sweep, mop, wash, polish floors, and then whatnot. Okay, now here it says other candidates with or without a valid Canadian work permit. Right, so you go show how to apply, and then they will tell you send an email to this website. So you create a cover letter, and then you can add a CV to it, and then you can just send it. As simple as ABC. Make sure you apply to as many as possible. Okay, you can just go back, and then you can apply to as many as possible. Okay, who knows, maybe one of them could reach out to you. So guys, this is for Canada. Like I said, it's not going to be a long video, so do well to follow the procedure and then apply. Okay, you need a valid email. Of course, you would be communicating with these employers with it, and as well, you need to get your cover letter ready and your CV ready. Okay, if you want to find jobs with skills, you can go back as I showed you, and then you rather select university or with specific skills, and that can take you to other platforms for you to apply. All right, so that's all about it today. I will end here. My connection is not too well today, forgive me. I will end here, and then I will see you in the next one. All right, yeah. So that was Canada for you. Yes, please follow as I have demonstrated in the video. Okay, because there are some filters you need to do in order to make it to what you're looking for. All right, and then apply to these jobs. Yes, they're giving out visas, for work visas to foreign nationals. So do how to apply. And I will end here. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section, and I'll get at you. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.